On this video, we'll learn how to draw the inside of this shape. For the inside, we have a circle that has a 1.5-inch diameter, and we have a slot that is 1 inch total wide. We're going to start with the end piece here, which is 1.5-inch diameter. I need to set my compass so that it can create a circle that in total from side to side is going to be 1.5 inches. The way I do this is I rewrite 1.5 and I take half of this number, which we know is 1/2, and half of this number, which I know if I take and multiply the bottom number by 2 and keep the top number the same, that gives me my total half. So now if I add 1/2 and 1/4, I have to have the same denominator. Multiply the 1/2 by 2 so it looks the same. And then that gives me 2/4 plus 1/4 equals 3/4. That is what I will set my compass to. And draw out your arc. The next part to this is we will have a slot that's 1 inch total width. That means that I have to set my compass to half of that. And half of 1 inch is 1/2 inch. I'll place it on one center line. And then the second center line. Notice I only need to make half circles here. Connect them at the top and bottom with your T-square. We're almost done. Now that we have our inside and our outside complete, we will need to put in center lines. And remember that a center line looks like a long dash, little dash, long dash. And that center line will go through the middle of my part, through the top, through here, and through here. I like to start with each of my centers by giving them a little dash. And then I can fill in between with little dashes. And then fill in with the longer dashes. The last thing for you to do is to dimension your part.